Hello everybody, welcome again to another episode of my cooking show. No, I'm just kidding. In today's video I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should get into fitness today without waiting for that New Year resolution bullshit. But before diving into the reasons, let's talk a little bit about what fitness is. You can see fitness as a state of overall health and well-being achieved through regular exercise, balanced nutrition and proper rest. There are 2 important components of fitness, and those are aerobic and anaerobic, and you should include both of them into your routines. Aerobic fitness means cardio training, like running, for example, which of course will help you with your cardiovascular fitness, will increase your cardiovascular capacity, and anaerobic fitness, which will help you with your strength and speed, and you can achieve this by doing weightlifting or calisthenics, for example. Good. It was a challenge for me to decide which 5 reasons to pick for this video because there are a lot of them, but I will tell you my personal favorites based on my own experience. Okay, before starting with the reason number 1, I have to go buy some bread because I forgot, so let's go. So the first reason is mental health. Fitness will help you reducing your stress, your anxiety, your depression, and it gives you tons of self-confidence, which will help you in every aspect of your life, every relationship with your girlfriend, with your mother, with your father, with your boss, with everyone. So mental health is very, very important. Fitness will help you with that. Reason number 2, it helps you moderating other bad habits or even quitting them for good. It starts like a chain reaction, so if you start doing fitness, you'll feel like you want to eat more nutritious food, you'll feel like drinking less alcohol, you'll feel like smoking less cigarettes, and finally, maybe quitting those bad habits for good. Reason number 3, it helps you with weight management. Basically, fitness supports calorie burning, regulates metabolism. Reason number 3, it helps you with weight management. Basically, fitness supports calorie burning, regulates metabolism, increases muscle mass. You will look good, so who doesn't want to look good, while making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Reason number 4, it increases your energy levels for any other activities you have during the day. So you'll have more energy for studying, you'll have more energy for work, you'll have more energy for anything, basically. The last reason, and probably the most boring of them, but a very important one, is that it will improve your overall health. It reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, high blood pressure. It will strengthen your immune system, and I can't help it, I have to give you another reason, a bonus one, which is it will build discipline, which is a very, very powerful weapon. So those are just some of the reasons why you should get into fitness today. There are many more. Of course, I would recommend starting with calisthenics because that's what I do and that's what I love. Before ending this video, I would like to recommend you a book. It's called The Power of Habit, Why We Do What We Do and How to Change. It's a great book. It will teach you how to create new habits, how to change bad habits. You'll see, it's amazing. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date with more videos like this. See you in the next one. Stay strong. Bye.